bell jingle and ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling, ting. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy and cozy, oh we. We'll snuggle up together like two birds off a feather would be. Let's take a road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on.
Make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell NCI to cut the phone pole. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. F-A-O-L, make my email stop. You a bugaboo, you bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot that you be calling me, stressing me, paging my beat, but you just non-stop. And it's not hot that you be leaving me messages every 10 minutes and then you stop by. When I first met you, you weren't cool, but it was game, you had me fooled. 20 minutes after I gave you my number, you already had my mailbox full. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you have to call as much as you do. I give them back to the group with you. And so what? Your mama likes you, like you. Now I guess you think I will too. Even if you don't say it like you do, I don't really care 'cause you a bugaboo. My picture out the window. NCI to cut the phone pole. Break my lease so I can move. You a bugaboo, a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call line. F-A-O-L, make my email stop. You a bugaboo, you bugging what you bugging, who you bugging me, and don't you see it ain't cool. It's not hot, then when I'm blocking your phone number, you call me over your best friend's house. And it's not hot that I can't even go out with my girlfriends without you tracking me down. You need to chill out with that mess, 'cause you can't keep having me stressed. 'Cause every time my phone rings, it seems to be you, and I'm praying that it is someone else. So what? You bought a pair of shoes, but now I guess you think I owe you. Oh, you have to call as much as you do. I give them back to be through with you. And so what? So what? What? Now I guess you think I will too. Even if the folks say they like you too. I don't give a damn 'cause you're a bugaboo. You ain't gonna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone. Break my lease so I can move. 'Cause you a bugaboo,